In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. Start by opening your Binance account. From the dashboard, go to Wallet, then click Deposit. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. After that, choose the network you want to use. Make sure you select a network that is supported by both Binance and Coinbase Wallet, then copy your Binance deposit address. Now open the Coinbase Wallet app and tap Send. Next, select USDT from your wallet and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Now review the transaction details carefully. Verify that the wallet address and network are correct, and make sure you have enough of the network's native token to pay the transaction fee. Next, tap Preview, then tap Send to confirm the transaction. Finally, wait for the blockchain confirmations. Once the transfer is complete, open your Binance account and check your spot wallet to confirm that your USDT has arrived. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.